Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Turkish for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through Istanbul. The call to prayer echoes softly in the distance. The streets are alive. Cafes, voices, movement. Someone looks at you, smiles, and says something in Turkish. And for a moment, you pause. Not because it's too difficult, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Turkish phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more respectful, more connected? Because language is not about perfection. It's about connection. And today, you take your first step. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with merhaba. Hello. Merhaba. Simple, warm. Now something more casual. Selam. Hi. Selam. In the morning, günaydın. Good morning. Günaydın. And in the evening, iyi akşamlar. Good evening. İyi akşamlar. Notice the pattern. İyi means good. Easy to remember. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. Say, teşekkür ederim. Thank you. Teşekkür ederim. Take it slow. It becomes natural with practice. And to respond, rica ederim. You're welcome. Rica ederim. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is evet. Evet. And no is hayır. Hayır. Practice the sounds. Slowly. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with affedersiniz. Excuse me. Affedersiniz. Use it to get attention or apologize. And for requests, lütfen. Please. Lütfen. Short, powerful. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, benim adım. My name is. Benim adım. Or simply, ben. I am Ben. And to say, nice to meet you, memnun oldum. Nice to meet you. Memnun oldum. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. İngilizce biliyor musunuz? Do you speak English? İngilizce biliyor musunuz? If you're confused, bu ne? What is this? Bu ne? And if you didn't understand, tekrar eder misiniz? Can you repeat? Tekrar eder misiniz? Section 7. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You see something you like. Say, bunu alabilir miyim? Can I have this? Bunu alabilir miyim? Or simply, bu lütfen. This, please. Bu lütfen. And when you're done, hesap alabilir miyim? The bill, please. Hesap alabilir miyim? Section 8. saying goodbye. Now, saying goodbye. Hoşça kal. Goodbye. Stay well. Hoşça kal. Or güle güle. Goodbye. Go smiling. Güle güle. More casual. Bye bye. Bye. And just like that, you now have real Turkish phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, connecting. So next time, when someone speaks to you in Turkish, don't hesitate. Smile and say, Merhaba. And your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.